Hi, hello and namaskar. Welcome to another video recipe for fine dining Indian. So here you can learn about how to do a burger. We made a tandoori chicken marinade for the chicken breast, and you can check our another video how it's trimmed. If you buy a whole chicken, you can learn how to cut it. Just use a fillet of the chicken to make this burger. So this is pan fried. You can use a barbecue if you have a grill at home, or if you have a tandoor at home, well enough, cook it from there. And then I'm using a brioche bun, or you can use a pav. And then I made a mayonnaise and onion tomato masala mix. So it's like a masala mayo I made. Yeah, it's amazing. And then tried with from fried egg and then pickled onions. Pickled onions, so you can find one of our other videos. Click the link and you can find it. So do this video recipe with me. Try it and give your feedback. Enjoy.
So we make a basic marination for the chicken. It's a red color. So ginger garlic paste. This one you can make and keep it, and then if you want to use it, you can use it again. You can leave in the fridge, so you can use whenever you need it. Just turmeric, chili powder, ginger garlic paste, and lemon juice. If you have, you can use a bit of lemon juice. Salt, touch of oil. Mix it. So once your first marination is ready, you marinate the chicken breast. This is your first marinade. And ideally you can leave it like this in the fridge at least for 6 hours or something, and it becomes, the flavor get infused in the meat and it becomes tender. The garlic and ginger act as a tenderizer too. So that's the breast we're using for the burger. So the second marination for the chicken breast and the kebabs, we need yogurt. It's best to use thick yogurt, chili powder, Garam Masala. You can add Jeetha powder, salt, a touch of vinegar. If you have malt vinegar, it's good. Mustard oil. Mustard oil is good for the kebabs because it gives a light pungency and it's bring up the flavor. Mix it. So in the marinade, you can add the chicken breast, just put on the top. Yeah, leave it there. Take the chicken breast and take flour, just dab it up. And now we're going to put it in the oil. Now we're going to put in the oil. A very thin layer of oil. If you want, you can fry with ghee as well. Not too hot. Ensure it's slowly cooked, but it's not burning on the other side. Now turn the side. So you can take a small spoon to. So now it's cooked, both sides. So take it on the plate. And whatever, keep the crunch, whatever leftover crust, keep it on the top for the crunchiness. So now we plate it up. Heat a pan, put a bit of butter. Now I got some nice brioche burger buns. Allow it to toast nicely, a bit more color, and to give a slight crust also. So check it. Nice good color, and that's good enough. So now on a hot pan I'm just doing a fried egg. Put a touch of oil, crack the egg slowly so it doesn't fall off. or it just doesn't lose a shape. Just slowly, and try to bring all that white towards the center. So the fried egg is done. Leave it on the side. You can use it for plating once you need it. So I'm going to slice the chicken breast. It's cooked. Use a sharp knife. Whatever crunch is there from the crust, you need to keep it. Alright, leave it there for plating. So take the base of the burger bun, apply the lababda mayonnaise or the cut mayonnaise, what do you call. Place the chicken. You have to carefully lift because the yolk is running. Just slide down the top. That's ready. Now we can plate it. For plating the burger, just keep the base, and for the top also you need to apply the same with the takatak mayonnaise. So that's the top end. You can leave it on the side. So once the pickle onion is placed, now I'm going to put some crunch, or you can serve it some fries or something. This one I'm just using for adding texture. So this is like a savory snack you can buy from the market, so I'm just using that. So for when you want to eat it, just place on the top. Use a sharp knife. You can see the yolk coming. Just eat it. It is so amazing.
So you enjoy cooking the burger with me. I think it was an easy recipe. I believe you can make and keep it the marinade and then pan fry it when and where or how you want it. So as per your wish. And then a nice fried egg. If you want to turn it upside down and then cook it well done, you can do that. Otherwise, a nice runny yolk will be amazing. So hope you share this recipe with your friends. Click the subscribe button and then click the bell icon, and keep sticking with us. Watch our other videos. Thank you.